My name is Saxon D'augereau. I'm from Abbeville, Louisiana. My mom had 3 kids and she was always working. My dad was always working. It was basically my grandparents raising us. And then my grandpa got colon cancer when I was 5. So he had to stop working. So they had to start working more, and it was a lot. My mom took care of my grandfather until the day he died. And it was hard on everybody. I miss him. I do. And then when my mom got sick, she kept it away from us for a long time, which I was really upset about when she brought up the word cancer, and it really freaked me out for a while. To me, being a kid whose only other experience with cancer was my grandfather, it was terrifying. My dad was heartbroken. That is the most scared I've seen that man in my entire life. There was a time where my dad asked me about something, and he was like, "Oh, we need to pay for this, but we don't have enough." And I was just like, I can help forward the bill. And then ever since then, I've been working at Shucks since 2021. If there's anything like I need to help them pay for, I'm 100% going to help them. I mean, they're my parents. They raised me. I'm going to help them do whatever they need. After my mom's hysterectomy, the cancer was, for the most part, in our minds, was gone. And they found it again. It went away for the second time, and they came back for a third time. It's that third time that we realized none of this is for nothing. I'm doing something good. I'm helping, so I'm just not gonna stop. When it comes to academics, if I've been able to keep a steady 4.0 GPA on everything, I found out about the Pay It Forward scholarship in class one day. It was an early morning and my principal came and dropped off a pamphlet, and I was looking over it and I saw a lot of things in there that I myself have struggled with, so I was like, hey, why not? And then I walked in to do my interview. That might have been the most nervous I've ever been in my entire life, but it was a good growing experience for me, I think. I had an appointment directly after my scholarship interview, and it was my senior picture appointment. So I was already on UL campus taking photos, and I got a phone call, and it says in the bottom, Glenn Armentor Scholarship, so I was already started to cry.
Saxon, this is Glenn Armentor.
I picked up the phone, they told me, everyone's cheering like on the phone, and I am freaking out.
Saxon, I've got the entire selection committee behind me.
And it was a very, very exciting experience,
and
I'm
you have won the Pay It Forward scholarship.
extremely happy.
Oh my God.
When I was given the pamphlet, I read through the whole thing, and they explain like how Glenn went through all these different kind of hardships. And it makes you think like, oh, this guy knows exactly how it feels to be down. He understands, and he's trying to give money to people who also understand or are going through that same thing. And it's a really good thing to do. In my future, I want to help people as much as I can. That's what my calling is, to help people. At UL, I'm pursuing a undergrad degree in biology, and it's with a concentration in health and allied medical science. If there's anything I can say to Glenn, it's just thank you for giving me the opportunity to prove myself and giving me the opportunity to go to a school for a higher education and do exactly what you're going to do, which is pay it forward. No matter what, I want my mom to know that she's going to raise a very successful son who will not give up on anything. One of the biggest goals that she had was to see me graduate, just to see me throw my cap, and she got it. If I was to tell my mom anything, it's thank you. Thank you for teaching me everything you taught me. I'm Saxon D'augereau, and I'm a winner of the Pay It Forward scholarship.